We are going to paint 10 different Christmas trees using 10 different creative ideas. For the first Christmas card, I am using droplets, watercolor droplets, to create the Christmas tree. Let us see what happens after these watercolor droplets gets dried. I am using a dropper to let the watercolor droplets to fall down on the paper. You can also use your brush to do the same. But for the brush, the water content should be more so that the water and the pigment can fall on the paper as a watercolor droplet. I used turquoise blue and sap green for this watercolor droplet painting. I mixed the pigment with water using a brush, and I squeezed all the paint in the brush so that there is puddle of pigment collected in my palette, and using a dropper I sucked that pigment and I dropped it on the paper. You can paint this fun Christmas tree painting with your kids for this Christmas. Hope you enjoyed this idea. Now let us see what happened after 4 hours. This is the result of the water droplets which got dried. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, see you in another video with another creative Christmas tree idea. See you, bye bye.